In 1964, a mysterious man was found wandering the streets of Tokyo, Japan. He was wearing strange clothes and speaking a language that no one could understand. He had no identification and no money. The man was taken to a hospital where doctors discovered that he had a number of unusual physical characteristics, including a high body temperature and a slow heart rate. The man eventually learned to speak Japanese, and he told the doctors that his name was Joso. He said that he was from a planet called Venus and that he had come to Earth on a mission of peace. Joso said that his people were facing a global environmental crisis and that they were hoping to learn from humans about how to save their planet. Joso's story was met with skepticism, but he was able to convince some people that he was telling the truth. He gave lectures and interviews about his home planet and his mission to Earth. He also wrote a book called Message from Venus. Joso disappeared in 1976, and his whereabouts remain unknown to this day. Some people believe that he returned to Venus, while others believe that he is still living on Earth somewhere. Whether or not Joso was really from Venus, his story is a reminder that there is still much that we don't know about the universe. It is also a reminder that we should be open-minded and willing to consider new possibilities.